when you think about marketing, the most important thing you should be thinking of is the top of the funnel. No one knows you. If you act every single day, like no one knows you. So if you don't have people coming into your top of funnel every day, no one's placing an order for next weekend, sis. You're not gonna have any orders on the books unless people are coming into the top of your funnel. Your
Right.
only goal in life, if you have a business, is to be creating ways to get people into the top of the funnel. And so
Every single order we've gotten this week has been a repeat customer. And I told my team in our meeting yesterday, this is because of their work to keep the customers.
amazing. So you are not talking about top of funnel, you're talking about bottom of funnel. You're actually
Right.
talking about these customers down here. Because once we get them in to notice us, once they come down here and they convert to a paying customer, now they cross this threshold. What do we do with them? Most of you are never ever contacting these people again. These people,
Yeah.
this down here, there's one focus in the world. It's called LTV, lifetime
Yeah.
value. I'm telling you right now, if you ever became a customer of the Cake Mamas, you were going to be our best friend for the rest of your life, whether you wanted to or not. Because
Yeah.
we're going to market to you, we were going to love on you, we were going to send you coupons, we are going to send you whatever it is we need to send you to get you to come back. And this is the only bakery you'll ever shop at. So we
Right.
have just as much effort going into the bottom of the funnel as we do the top of the funnel. You know why? Because it's super hard to get people to come down the whole funnel. Once they do, you have to love on them for life. And so these are some of the processes that you guys should have in place that consume your everyday, which is how am I getting people into the top of the funnel and how am I loving on the lifetime value of the people at the bottom of the funnel?